Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen. I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls, but mostly styling services because I prefer a stylist to pick up my clothes. So if videos all about clothes sound interesting to you, then please subscribe below. So for returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I appreciate you watching my videos and supporting me. And I hit a huge milestone just a couple days ago. Hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for subscribing. It really does mean the world to me. Thank you to all the YouTubers that have done shout outs for me or referred people to my channel, things like that. Christy at Georgia Sunshine, this was her personal campaign over the past few days, was to get me to 1,000 subscribers, and I am incredibly grateful. Callie Schaffner followed me at like literally 1 subscriber and was supportive from the beginning, and all you other ladies that have been very supportive and commenting, I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. So, okay, well, now that that's done, let's get to the clothes. So, Stitch Fix, it is everyone's favorite. Now, I, in my hiatus from YouTube, became really awful at putting in notes for my stylist or even checking out. I would just send back the clothes and not check out. And so for this one, I didn't check out my last box and I didn't put any notes. So she was all on her own. So thank you to my stylist, Nikki, for putting up with the fact that I've given you like literally no feedback for months now and you just keep sending me clothes. So yeah, I didn't put anything specific here. No clue what's in here, so let's just go ahead and dive right on in. I almost forgot to say what the service is. So if any of you do not know what Stitch Fix is, it is a styling service where they send you 5 items for $20 styling fee. That does get applied to anything you purchase. You only get charged for whatever it is that you keep, and if you buy all 5 items, then you get 25% off. I believe I have done that one time and one time only. You can get it every 2-3 weeks, once a month, on demand, things like that. Not gonna look at this yet. They show you the note from the stylist and they kind of show you how to style things. You get an envelope to send back what you don't want to keep. USPS, which I really appreciate because the post office is like right next to me. And somewhere in here there will be a price sheet to tell me how much everything costs. I don't even see it. Maybe it's in my bundle now. Oh, it's underneath my bundle. So price sheet is in here. I'm always disappointed because I want everything to be $5. And for some reason, they want to charge me more than $5. So, okay. Moment of truth. What do we have? All right, I see a tan. I see jeans, which I love jeans. I see some gray and some green neon something. Maybe? I don't know. I don't see it on this side. All right, let's dig right into it. Okay, first off, we have this tank top. Oh, I like this. She clearly, now, even though I've given her no notes, I haven't even updated my Pinterest in months. I can tell right now that she got this off of my Pinterest because I did have this pinned for a while. I've got one that's like white with black window pane material or pattern, and I really like it. So I'm happy to get one in an olive color, nice fall color. And I like, it's got the zip up detail and the little pockets in front. It is mixed material, so it's more cottony in the back. This is Fortune and Ivy. So far a plus. All right, next one. All right, this is like a Colorblock shirt, t-shirt, pink clover. We got gray and kind of a heather cream and gray, and then this like neon yellow and gray. And then it has a faux twist in the front. Well, maybe not faux, just twist in the front. And that is, it's a cute top. I like the style of it. I think it's unique. I think this color down here might end up being a deal breaker for me, but we shall see. I like it. I'm not just all that excited, but I do like it. Okay, next up, I see some scallop. Oh, we're a dress. I did not expect that. This is 41 Hawthorn. I'll show the dress to you guys. Scallop neck here, if you can see that. kind of a cap sleeve on it, and scallop around the waist. Does this have pockets? No pockets. And scallop at the bottom. So I do like a scallop detail. I like a good business dress. This is a great business dress. My only hesitation is going to be, I've already got kind of a businessy dress in this color. So otherwise I'd probably love this, but again, who knows, I might put it on, fall in love with it, and decide why not have two navy business dresses. Okay, next up, we have a cardigan. I always love cardigans. If I had my way, I'd have about 10,000 cardigans, and I'd wear them every day, and they'd make me really happy. Okay, so this is by Pink Clover. Cardigan. It is mostly tan with some gray, white, black. That is black, right? Yeah, gray, white, and black blocking here on the bottom. Just a straight down cardigan, and soft. It's very soft. It feels really great. So really like this a lot. So yeah, I like this a lot. I don't know if I need it, but I don't always care if I need it. All right, last up, jeans. Here's my thoughts on jeans. I have too many. I don't need to buy anymore, but it is always so exciting when you get sent a pair of jeans. I want a pair of jeans in every single box that I get, even though I probably will buy 0 of them because I don't need them. Okay, this brand is ID23. I haven't seen that before, but I'm not always up to speed with what's down. And it is very lightly distressed, like there's some distressing here, and you know, just kind of a general worn look, and then a rolled cuff here at the bottom. And you know, these are just going to be a nice skinny straight pant, and I really like these. These are very cool. This is the Carrie girlfriend jean. So I'm excited to try these on. All right, so good box. Really happy with what she sent me, and can't wait to see if it all fits. All right, ladies, first up we have the Colorblock cardigan, and I've got 3 of the 5 pieces on right now. So cardigan, yes. I like it. It's a great fit. It's super soft. I don't know how I feel about the color blocking at the bottom. I think that makes it unique, and yet it maybe actually gives me some more options as far as colors I could wear underneath it, or maybe it, you know, takes away options. So what do you guys think? So normal tan cardigan, you know, I could wear an olive shirt underneath it, but then it's like, how does olive look with gray or black? Well, black's fine, but gray, I don't know. I have mixed feelings on this and could use the advice of you lovely ladies. So if you want to comment below, let me know what you guys think about this piece. Okay, next up we have the olive tank, and I like it. It fits great. Perfect fit. No complaints there. Like I said, mixed material here in the back. I definitely get use out of it. So this one, I don't know what it costs. It'll just be a matter if the price is right. I don't think I'd be willing to pay more than 30 some bucks for it. So hopefully this is one that's like on like 34 bucks or something. So we'll see. This just price is right, but I like it, and I would definitely wear it, no doubt. The jeans. Okay, the jeans. So I like them. I like them. They fit well. There's no gapping back here. The length is great. I don't have any issues there. So you can kind of see the cuff there at the bottom, and I like it. It's just, I think there's just nothing about them that make them special enough to want to keep. So I've got enough. I mean, I like them a lot. I like the kind of the medium blue to it. I like that they're just lightly worn, but they're not distressed, so I could still actually wear these. I'm talking myself into it, aren't I? So I do like a lot with these. Again, could use some opinions. Again, if price is right on these, like 40 bucks, yeah, maybe I would do that, but anything more than that, and I don't think they're going to be a keeper for me because I just really don't need jeans. All right, let's get to the next top. Am I crazy for really liking this now? here's what I like about it. First of all, another great fit for me, so that's always a bonus. I like that it is a short sleeve, but has kind of a slim sleeve to it. I don't like big, lots of area sleeves. I don't know what the word is, but I just don't care for that. So I really enjoy this slim sleeve. I like the fit of it. I like the twist on it. Green, the neon green, whatever color this is, not bothering me all of a sudden. So again, if the price is right, I might want to keep this. That's a surprise. So let's get the dress on now. Well, shoot. I love it. I love it. It just fits really, it fits like a glove. It fits really great up here. It's nice, it's snug, but it's not too snug. It's a good silhouette. I don't love getting like a lot of bodycon type dresses, and this is just not like that. This isn't a bodycon. This is, I don't know what you call type of dress this is, other than I just really like it. And again, like, I just love that it's not too snug, it's not too form-fitting down here. I think the scallops are a really cute detail. I'm into it. Down here at the bottom, it's a good length. The only thing I keep thinking there's going to be like pockets here, so that was like the only downside. And I have no idea what it costs, but you guys know Stitch Fix, it's probably going to be like 60 bucks. And I just don't really want to pay 60 bucks for it, but I don't know, I love it. So, I don't know. We'll see, guys. We'll see. This is a tough one, but I really like this dress. So, alright, well, let's find out how much this stuff costs. And we're back. It's about 2 days later. I was filming the first part of the video late at night and I got tired. So here we are 2 days later. It's a little bit earlier in the evening now. So let's get through this. So a couple things I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video. One, I now have the Instagram. So I am posting somewhat regularly on there, just fashion related stuff. I've got a little band video, just myself playing the bass a little bit. Anyways, I post pictures on it because it's Instagram and that's what people do. So if you want to check that out, there's the link for that below. Also, oh, I have a P.O. box. Got it for the band. But if you want to say hello, that'd be cool. So I got a P.O. box now. And if you're wondering why I'm talking about a band, go back and watch my video from last week where I tell you guys where I have been, and I will explain that. So let's go through prices, but there's something I have to tell you guys. One should not film unboxing videos or even try on clothes with red lipstick on. Here I was feeling all fancy and red lipsticky, and then later on I see, where is it? I should have pre-pulled this up so I didn't have to hunt for it. Oh. What's that? Yeah, that's my red lipstick. That's my red lipstick. So this is mine now. Whoops. So I have regular chapstick on today. No color, no tint. So no harm, no foul. Lesson learned. Whoops. Anyways, let's go over the prices and you guys can find out how much I'm going to pay for this card, which, by the way, read the stylist note, and even though I didn't put in any note for her, everything she picked out for me was based off of old stuff on my Pinterest. So I'm very appreciative that she worked so hard to get me what I want, even when I'm not putting forth the effort. So hopefully next time I will put forth the effort. But I was happy with this box. I was very happy with this. So, okay. So, price. Starting at the top of my little price sheet, we had the Carrie Girlfriend jean. Had some light distressing on it. Had the cuff at the bottom. Kind of a medium wash. I really liked these, but they were $68. They're $68, and which isn't bad. I mean, that's what I paid for, like, Articles Society pants. Not bad, and I liked them. I wasn't like so obsessed with them that I had to have. I've got a lot of jeans that I've gotten over the past year and a half of filming these videos. So I'm really happy she sent them to me, but not going to keep these. Then we have the mixed material Fortune and Ivy top, and this is $34. We're gonna give that a maybe. I really like it. I like this kind of top. I like a nice solid color. I like olive, though I do have a few olive tops that are dressy. I don't know, but I like this. But I got one almost exactly like this at Kohl's for half the price. Then we have the twist hem knit top. So this was a surprise to me that I like. Oh, how much is it? It is $36. Thank you for asking. But sometimes I decide to like something because I'm just happy that it fits, and then it sits in my closet and I never grab for it because it turns out I don't actually like it that much. I just liked that it fit. So I think that's what's happening here. I think I just like that it fits. And then, but overall the shirt is just kind of okay. This actually surprised me because I liked it. Still glad she sent it to me. Glad I got to try it. And then this is the Penton Colorblock cardigan, pink clover. This is $44. I am keeping for already mentioned reasons. And then the scuba dress, or scuba, I called it a scuba dress. What? Scallop. The Salome Scallop detail knit dress, and this is $78. So I was guessing it was gonna be like 60, so it's actually 78. Really great quality, so I'm actually not surprised at that. Was really on the fence because I've got a similar shaped dress in a similar color, but I loved it. I just felt it fit really great, and it was very flattering, and I do think the scallop details were cute. I made my husband the tiebreaker, so the tie being like, hey, I want to keep it, but it's really expensive. What do I do? And he said, you should wear that to a Halloween place. I don't think he understands scallops and the fact that I think, you know, scallops are kind of in right now, which he fully admitted to. But just going off of his impression, he thought it looked Halloween-y. And I said, and there's plenty of times where he might not like something and I'll be like, well, that's fashion. And he'll be like, okay, you're the expert, which I'm not. But that's what I'll say, and that's fashion. So anyways, that was a lot of words. All that to say, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I'm sorry guys if you loved it. But here's what'll make you feel better if you loved it. I'm gonna keep my eye on like Poshmark and the Facebook, the Facebook pages where you can buy and sell stuff. Oh, I might actually post on there asking if anybody's happens to be selling an extra small petite version of this. So I'm gonna keep my eye open, and maybe someday I will be able to find it for cheaper. So keepers, this guy, I did want to mention that I did look at the style card here just because I was like, well, what am I supposed to wear under this? Like, I didn't like the green under it because it only kind of worked with some of it. Basically, they just had, the style card had it going with white and black tops. And I was like, okay, well that makes sense. And I've got an abundance of white and black tops because it's always good to have lots of neutrals. So yeah, cardigans, yes. This is a maybe. I will be posting this video before I actually send this stuff back. So would love to hear opinions. And if you are passionate enough, you may change my mind. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself, I can't remember if I said this already, so I'm gonna say it again. If you want to try it for yourself and get $25 off your first box, then my referral link is below. And I'm just appreciated that you watch. Please give this a thumbs up so that maybe others get a chance to see it. And I think you guys are awesome. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. What's this? All right, bye guys. I'll see ya.